The case, which started sometimes in 2018, was an 8-count charge brought before the defendants by the EFCC. At the resumed hearing, counsel to the defendants, led by Chief Dan Orbih, SAN, said there was need for the charges to be quashed since they described it as frivolous. The counsel said, apart from the abnormalities trailing the filing of the charges by the prosecutor, which is unacceptable by law, the prosecutor has erred by adding a former late BOT chairman, Chief Tony Aneni, as part of the charges and at the same time contradicting itself on the same issue. Counsel to EFCC Asola Repeaters dismissed the claims of the defendants, saying all they are doing is just to delay time for proper hearing. He appealed that the defendants should be made to enter their plea immediately so that the case can commence fully instead of coming up with frivolous issues that are not known to the law. The presiding judge, Justice Muhammad Umar, after listening to the arguments of both the defendants and the prosecuting counsel, asked them to come with authority to back their various claims and slated ruling for 26th March. Senior counsel to the defendants declined comments.
So, sir, what will you say just transpired just now?
What now?
Wait now. Please tell Mr. Obamuji to come and speak to the press.
I'm no one with anybody now. No.
Just
No. I'm not ready to grant any press interview. No. I say I'm not ready. No, please, please excuse me for today.
However, a member of the team for the defendants highlighted what transpired at the resumed hearing.
Arguments were taken as to the competence or otherwise of the charge, because an objection has been, in fact, it was raised suo motu by the court, whether the charge that had the name of Chief Anthony Aneni, who everybody knows now is late, is competent. And so arguments were taken today, and the prosecution insists that the charge is good, even though it has the name of Chief Anthony Aneni, but because he's not actually a defendant, he's not one of those that the charge was brought against, but his name was mentioned in the body of the charge, while the defense is insisting that his name on the process makes the process, that's the charge, to be incompetent.
Counsel to EFCC also declined comment on the matter. Efosa Uwangue reporting.